What's going on, guys? Back out here in the shop. Got the small block from the 68. Got Mike over there getting ready to pull the engine out of his boat. So we're going to go ahead and start tearing down this small block here and trying to figure out just how bad it's hurt. We know it's got a blown head gasket, possibly a spun rod bearing. So we're going to start getting it tearing down and look at it and see what happens. So I'm going to go ahead and pull all the accessories and intake, distributor and all that stuff off and see if I can see anything from there. And if not, we'll tear more into it. Alright, we got the intake off and this is the lifter it pushed out on the way up. Don't see anything wrong with it, but won't know for sure until we get the cam. But when we get to looking at the intake runners, we can see some of them are pretty nasty. So it's definitely gonna need a valve job. So now we're gonna go ahead and pull the rest of the front accessories off of it and get the cam out, see if it wiped the load from when it pushed that lifter up. So that's next. Get that done and get the heads off to see where the head gasket blew. So I'm gonna get that tore down and then come back with you. There's the balancer. Yummy. Let me get y'all down here and show you what I got. Well, you can see the water, oil dripping, but none of this stuff looks terrible. I don't see any rust. I don't see any major discoloring. So who knows? We'll have to see. Maybe we got lucky. Maybe we got real lucky. So now we'll pull the camshaft out and see how that looks. Alright, take the cam out. Made a little bit of a mess here on the floor, but pull it out and see if we can get away with rerunning this one. Factory cam for the 290 horse crate motor, or if we're going to need a new one. Alright. I mean, it's dirty, but where it spit it out, don't see any damage or anything. Only thing I can see is back here, a little discoloration, but I think that's just paint. So well, I'm gonna look it up, see what the specs on this cam are, and possibly just run it again. I don't see nothing wrong with it. So cool. Now we'll pull the heads, see how bad it looks there. Alright, head bolts are out. See if I can figure out which one let go. This one here appears decent. No direct signs of where it let go. So let's pull the other side off. Oh, never mind. I think I found it. I'm looking right there. Let's look at this one here. This one here is not bad at all. Yeah, take that back. Pretty bad. Yeah. Both sides. Let me show you. Alright, this side here. See this one? See the crud. That's a piece of a piston there. Ring. See, it's a little messed up. We come to this side and we see just how beat up it is. Back it up. So guess I didn't get lucky. So guess we have to now do a full rebuild on it. Not what I was looking to do with the event I'm wanting to go to coming up in a month and a half. But oh well. So at least we can see how it's pretty bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up there. Start doing some shopping online, calling machine shop, seeing what it's gonna be, and going from there, because we just need to go ahead and have crank turned and all that other stuff. So go ahead and wrap it up there, and next video give y'all an update on this. We'll probably be working on the boats next. Micah's boat in here with his engine over there. We need to fab up some engine plates and pump braces and some other stuff for it. So y'all make sure to stay tuned and see you next time.